From the Storm Team 3 Weather Lab, here's Rob Perillo's True View forecast.
Welcome back. Another breezy and warm one out there today. Showers and storms beginning to fire up nicely to our west. Eventually, I think we're going to see our rain chances perk up as we head toward Friday morning and then Friday day as well. Now, as we take a look at Power Doppler 3000, all is quiet here this afternoon. Titan 3D indicating much the same locally, but you can see some of those heavier storms across Oklahoma and Texas. Some of these areas do need the rainfall, but not the threat of severe weather. And as we put the radar satellite composite in motion, we see a number of weather watch areas spanning from Texas all the way up through the high plains, through the Midwest, and once again, the threat of tornadic weather as you get into the northern high plains, and then from the Colorado front range on eastward, and you can see some of those heavier storms across Texas. Now, enough energy producing scattered showers in southeast Texas. Some of that may push through the area later on tonight, but this activity will weaken. But just a hedge on our best, just a slight chance of a passing shower after midnight tonight, and then we'll go with about a 20% for tomorrow. Temperatures coming off our afternoon high of 89 degrees. Right now we're at 84. Humidity coming up a bit, so it's a little uncomfortable out there. Feels like heat index at about 87 degrees. South wind at about 14. Will stay breezy for tomorrow. Now here we go with the rivers, talking about what's happening, specifically what's going to happen at the Red River Landing. That's going to be key on the Mississippi River. The volume of water that comes through here will dictate when that Morganza spillway will open further down the line, and that will allow the water to push into the Atchafalaya Basin, and then the flooding will commence. So as we go to our WeatherNet computer, what I have here, and all this information is available. Just go to my weather blog at KATC.com or our flood page, and this is a plot of the river at the Red River Landing that goes up to 60 feet right now, and this is the projected range. Now, right now it's going about 1.4 million cubic feet per second. When we hit the volume of 1.5 cubic feet per second, 1.5 million, that's somewhere around sometime late Friday, right about at this line. That's when the Morganza will be, the decision will be made to open up the spillway. So it looks like that may come as early as Friday, but perhaps Saturday. We'll just have to wait and see. Now, as we go back to the graphics, what initially will happen is the water will come down the spillway, and we'll talk more about this in detail in just a bit, and then we'll fill to the south and east. Latest river stage at Butler Rose now at 19.2. It's been rising about 6 inches a day, but when that Morganza spillway opens up, it'll rise a foot to maybe 2 feet per day. The crest of 29 feet tentatively set for May 24th, but that will change. It'll come sooner as that spillway opens, within a few days of the spillway opening, and then a few days later down in Morgan City. We're at 6.8 right now. Predicted crest at about 12 to 13 feet, and again, it'll be sooner than that May 25th. So here we go. This is what happens. The spillway up here by Morganza, the water from the Mississippi will be released into the open plains east of the Krotz Springs area, will flow down across the Atchafalaya Swamp. This is the Atchafalaya River here. Again, the levees will hold that water on the eastern side of the protective levee until we get to the Butler Rose area. And that's at the point just south of here, the levees go down, and that's when the backwater flooding will occur on the other side of the river levee, but east of the protection levee, the levee that you see when you drive across I-10. And again, getting a lot of questions. I-10 should be fine. Highway 190 should be fine. Not expecting any road closures. And then the water will continue to flow to the south and then inundate many areas unprotected outside of the Morgan City area. So that's what we'll be watching over the next week or two. Near term, we're looking at fair to partly cloudy skies tonight. Maybe a renegade shower as we indicated overnight tonight. Tomorrow, a few spotty showers out there. And then as we head into Friday, a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, maybe even a severe storm, so we'll keep an eye on that. Then that front passes on through by Friday evening, opening up the door for a very nice weekend. Lower 70s overnight tonight, rain chances slight, pretty much a quiet evening for the most part. More of the same tomorrow, but we'll add a slight chance of a shower or a thunder shower. Rain chance tomorrow no higher than 20%. 50 to 60% as we head into early Friday, and Friday during at least the day through the mid-afternoon. And then cruise control weather-wise as we head into the weekend and beyond, but we will be talking about the rivers and the flood threat well beyond the 8-day forecast, unfortunately.
Thank goodness for those open plains.
Yes.
They can handle it. Thanks a lot, Rob.